Okay, video, action. In the living room, we're gonna have, instead of 1-2 lights, we're gonna have 6 lights. You like more lights or less lights? So, 6 lights in the living room, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the kitchen, we'll have a new feature light. You'll supply a new feature light on top of the... Yeah, of course. So the customer will supply a new feature light that will be here in the center of the bench top. Cooking will be in the same location. Sink is gonna be in a similar location, give or take. With the floor surface here, ideally we'll have the engineering timber here and going down the stairs all the way to the entry in ideal wall. Otherwise it will be engineering timber there and then carpet on the stairs. That'll be vanished again, sand down and vanish. And then foam here all the way engineering floor. This heat pump, we'll try to cancel it and move it up here or up there. It needs to be TBD. In the master bedroom that is next to here, there's a heat pump system. We're going to leave it as is. We mask it and paint around it. We'll have 2 LED lights here instead of 1. That one stays. This one will be gone and have a new alarm instead. We're going to remove the shelves, cancel them, cancel those lights, and make sure we have 2 power points. This will be gone and this one stays. And we will just somehow paint it just nicely around here and here, maybe a little bit here. Aluminum windows, so don't need painting. In this wardrobe system here, we're gonna have 2 doors, one open up this way, another one open up that way. We're gonna have a tower in the middle and hanging on both sides. We're gonna have a new sliding doors here, and it's gonna be a piece of timber and rollers. Because of course, two doors opening. The door handles, we're gonna remove all of them and put a one with the louver. We will choose them soon. There's about 1, 2, 3 on the upper floor. Study room on the upper floor, 2 lights in the ceiling. We're gonna change and upgrade all the power points, I assume. This one stays. Over here again, 2 doors, tower in the middle, hanging on the sides. New carpet. All right, bathroom. In the bathroom, starting from the ceiling, we're gonna have 2 spotlights instead of that one, so that'll be removed. 2 LED spotlights. Is this working? Do you know if it's working?
It doesn't appear to be. I just flicked it on here.
Okay, so we're gonna check it later on and see if it's working or not.
I'm fine with the new one.
Okay, the vent, we're gonna leave it as is at the moment, and we figure out once we do the work if it's working, where does it take the air out, and so we won't budget for that, but we will check it and then we will figure out. This is okay, it will stay. A new toilet in the same location. So we are on the 2nd floor. It's back to the wall. I can't see which way it goes. We're gonna remove this floor from here. We're gonna remove the skirting. There'll be a new tile floor here and timber skirting. The shower is gonna be the shower well system, 900 by 900 with a corner, and it'll be tiled inside. So only inside will be tiled with a tiled tray, 900 by 900. It will have 1 door. The door needs to swing somewhere, perhaps this way. So the door will swing this way. We will try to find which tower rail system will work here. Maybe a little bit narrow one that we can actually just put it up to here. So the customer will figure out and find a tower rail that's going to work, and she will buy and supply it. Make sure we have a power point here. We're going to have a shower head on top, plus a slider. And the floor heating, of course, yeah. This is going to be a new vanity here that we're going to custom made it. Mirror cabinet or LED mirror. Okay, potentially recessed. And vanity. So here's our lovely bathroom. It's gonna be beautiful. So the niche have been installed here, all nice in the center. This little project, it's been finished completely, and now it's good to be installed. Painting has been done on those walls. Plumbing is the right location. We have the underlay here with nails on every 100 because we like to put more. We can see the tray and the white trim. I tapped it to make it secure, so we couldn't get any scratches. So we're gonna get the underfloor heating coming tomorrow, and we're gonna get the all the liners for the shower comes that will be coming on Monday, and on the following day we will start tiling the floor and those two walls. Move all the skirting from this room everywhere. This shouldn't take long just to remove them. Rosie, for the vanity here in the shower area in the bathroom, architrave everything finishes here at about 850. So if we make the vanity and the vanity top that finish at 850, that'll be a nice finishing. It needs to touch the wall on that side and silicone here, along here. So please play your vanity top to finish at 850, and the cabinet maybe just a little bit more inside. Great job here by Ryan and his friends that they've done here in the bathroom. So everything looks nice and awesome. They just finished cleaning and doing the grout. It's all fresh. Yeah, so we can book the glass pan, we can do the plumbing, Oliver, we can fit the toilet, it's okay. Rosie's gonna finishing this cabinet, but I definitely want to have another 3 screws here and there on an angle, because so that could be line. Vim is welcome to put some power plugs wherever he can. Guys, Vim, what's happening with this one? We haven't blocked it. We're gonna have extraction fan. That looks quite big, to be honest. So I don't know what your plan is. We can put the lights, please, whenever someone is available.
Thank you so much, James and the renovation team. We were so appreciative of the renovation that you did for us in our apartment. It was a gut renovation and a pretty big job, and as an interior designer I had some fairly lofty goals and ideas that I know were challenging, that you and your team undertook and did a beautiful job of, and just really went above and beyond to help us achieve the vision that I had for our apartment. You know, finishing on time and on budget is highly unusual, so we were pretty impressed with that, and getting us in just in time for Christmas was really just amazing. So super thankful, thank you so much, and we're looking forward to doing another project with you at some point, hopefully sooner rather than later, and cannot recommend you guys enough. Just really very thoroughly impressed. Thank you.